Howdy crew, today we'll be going over the Profax AEC 4000 arc gouging torch. Let's get to it. In addition to the arc gouging torch, there'll be a couple other things I'll be showing from the purchases that I made down at MPB the other day when I picked up the Trailblazer and the suitcase. But let's go ahead and get to the arc gouging torch because I know y'all been looking forward to it. Nice thick cable, gotta unwind it like a lasso. So everything feels nice and good on the torch head. Gonna go ahead and rotate that so y'all can see that there are the air holes right there. So there are 3 of them, and I'll do that so y'all can see it a little bit better. So it does have a nice spot to clamp down in there. It's perfect. I do like how rotatable it is, so if you need any angle there, it's perfect. And you got your switch for air, so that's perfect. And I do like how heavy duty this cable is. I've worked with some that are not as thick and they move around easier, but I'd rather have a thicker cable just to be on the safer end. So everything looks good here. Let me go ahead and pull out the other end for y'all. All right. So right here, you're gonna be connecting the lead here, but also be putting your air attachment here. So you're gonna have your air cable, and then you're gonna slide this over it, so you'll be good. Now, one thing I'll be having put on here is I'm gonna get the attachment with a quick disconnect, and that way I can attach it to the lead and it's all good to go. But then you slide this right over and you're solid. So that will be coming up very soon. Of course, before using any of this stuff, make sure you read all the safety stuff and whatnots. So good goods. And put this back in the box. What I also purchased with it was a 50-foot 3/8 air hose, and it does have the correct connectors to attach to both the Trailblazer and also this part for the torch. And so that's going to be good. And it's 50 feet. I might get another 50-foot one, get a double female connector to put on there, so that way it connects to the other air hose. But I picked up some electrodes for it as well. Put this up. I'll open up the other end. That one has some reading material, it looks like there. All right. So I don't know the count, but this should be 5/30 seconds. No, 3/16, sorry. I don't know why I thought 5/30 seconds. 3/16. So 3/16 electrodes. They're not huge, but I'm not expecting to be removing tons at first. I will be getting some other electrodes as I go along. Not before I need them, as if I'm not going to be prepared. But just to start off with, this is nice small stuff. So if there's something that has to be repaired, small repairs, there's already a weld there and it has to be arc gouged, this will be perfect to get it going. If there's a lot bigger material, then I'll need bigger electrodes for sure. But anyways, I've always liked the air carbon arc electrodes. Are really, really nice looking. They look really pretty and all, nice and shinies. And you want to just look over all your electrodes, whether you're using air carbon arc, whether you're stick welding. Always look over your electrodes, see if there's cracks, blemishes, what's happening with it. Is it all good? Is it all pristine? Are some of them not looking so hot? Is there damage from transit? Something was bad with manufacturers. Do you need to take it back? As you all know, with all these unboxings, I'm all about looking over everything. Feel what the texture's like. Does it feel off? Is it feeling like how it's supposed to be? And the more you use this stuff, the more you'll get used to it. So, yeah. They are 1 foot long. They are 3/16. And anything else, 150 to 200 amps. That's pretty much it for this haul. I will be getting stuff that is 5/30 seconds, all that good stuff. I'll be getting a lot more electrodes for the air carbon arc soon. I didn't need it right away, especially right now. Once this is all bolted in, I will be getting some more of everything pretty much. But that's it for today. Just gonna have this little haul out for y'all. Hope y'all enjoy it, and I'll be seeing y'all over some of the other vlogs coming out very soon.